Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new, centrally located 5-bedroom premium townhome development for sale located here in Kapitolyo, Pasig City. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this beautifully designed home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the property size, each unit has a floor area of 350 square meters and a lot area of 124 square meters. For the specific home features, each unit has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a carport for 4 vehicles, a living area, a dining area with a high ceiling, a third level den space, a third level open deck area, an open kitchen, a service and laundry area, a maid's room, and a driver's room with separate bathrooms. And all this just 5 to 10 minutes to the new Kapitolyo Bonifacio Global City Bridge. Now let's begin the tour. To begin, I'd like to point out that this is a 2-unit duplex development. So we have the 2 units sharing a single wall and both facing the street. The west side of the property is the front and the east side is on the back end of the property. Now let's go. We are now going to explore the first level, which is a lower ground level which can accommodate 4 cars. In terms of how you're gonna park, you'll have 2 cars here on the ramp and then 2 cars down there. In terms of the size of it, you most probably can fit 2 sedans over here. And then if you have SUVs or larger vans, you can have them down here. You can see that it's well lit. And if there's any concern regarding flooding, the whole area of the development is elevated, which you'll be able to see once we schedule a viewing. And here, you have 2 rooms. You have your maid's room and your driver's quarters. And both have their own bathroom. So this is just to show you the size. Right now, there's still a lot of construction material inside. And on this side, is the other room. This can be the driver's room or the maid's room. They're both interchangeable. And on this side, what you have is you have an access stairway leading to the ground level. And over here, you have your laundry space. And you also have a water tank already. Now let's head on back. Let's head on up. So you see that the angle of the driveway is slightly changed in this part so that there's a provision for a very, very small area in terms of steps so that it's easier to go up and down from here for safety. And as we head on up, you have your main entrance. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. The first thing I noticed is that you have an open plan living, dining, and kitchen space. When I say open plan, that means you can see every area of the living, dining, and kitchen from anywhere here in the ground level. So it gives you a much more open feel and it maximizes the space because you don't need to have partitions. You also have this large window already with quality PVC frames in terms of the construction, and it lets in so much natural light to the entire first level, and it flows naturally to a high ceiling space, which gives you a great vantage point from this space, which you can turn into your dining area. And from here, you have your main kitchen space. Your main kitchen is lit by the morning sun, which is coming in from this sliding door. You also have a kitchen branded range hood, and this is where you can have your oven. It's also well designed such that there's almost an equal distance from the middle of the kitchen to the refrigerator, which you can place here, to the sink, and to the oven, which is a good design principle. And from here, if you open this sliding door up, you have an additional service area. You can potentially have a sink here to have an additional wash space, or you can make this a laundry area as well. And from here, you have the spiral staircase that we saw before, leading downstairs to your maids and drivers' quarters. And now let's head back in. And from your main kitchen, let's now take a look at your first bedroom. You can use this first room as a den space, as a home office, or as a playroom, and it also comes with its own bathroom. From your first bedroom, here's another perspective of your dining and living space from your kitchen. So you can see that you have a lot of ventilation coming from the second level, and you have plenty of living space here. And you have an area here which you can use as a storage space, and you can have some shoe racks over here or a display area. And now let's head on up to the third level of the house, where we have the master bedroom and the third bedroom. Let's go. Heading on up, we noticed that these light fixtures gave the whole staircase area a more elegant feel. In addition, the property is just about to finish construction. That's why you still have some finishing touches in terms of a few cabinets, lighting, and paint. And like these stairs, they're just gonna get cleaned out over the next few days. And over here, I'd like you to take a look at the high ceiling area. You have nice cove lighting, and you have a great view of your dining space downstairs. This open area also gives your hallway here in the third level a more open feel rather than just having a wall over here. And now let's take a look at your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is facing the west side of the property, so in the mornings it's quite cool, and you also have this large window and a sliding door letting in a lot of natural light. So you have a small balcony over here. Which gives you a lot of ventilation as well when you open this up, and lets you have a nice breather in the mornings or evenings. You also have a lot of space here with customized storage cabinets here, and this is where you can have your television set, and this is where you can orient a large king or queen sized bed. You already have a provision also here for a window type air conditioning unit. And you already have a provision also for your own type of lighting fixture in the middle of the room, especially if you're getting an interior designer. And now let's take a look at your master bathroom. So you see that the master bathroom has a really elegant dual vanity sink space. The large format gray tiles that they used has a really attractive design. And on this side, you have plenty of storage space along this wall. Now let's head on out and take a look at your third bedroom. So let's go across the hallway. You can consider this the east side of the property. It's facing the east side of the property. You have this large window. Once again, you have the quality PVC windows here. And you have the custom cabinetry on the other side. So it has a really nice gray, wood grain design, which blends very well with the flooring and the white walls. And on this side, you have your own bathroom. So you see it also has the nice indirect lighting, giving the glass a floating effect. And now let's head on up to the fourth level where we have your fourth and fifth bedrooms. Your staircase leading to your fourth level has a provision here for 2 light fixtures. So this area can get much brighter and will have a more personal feel once you put in your own choices. And from here you have an additional living space in terms of a den or family hallway space. This area is spacious such that you can have a small sitting area over here. You can have a small chair over here and a small sofa and a small table where you can entertain guests or make it a very private second living space for your family. And here, it's lit by this large sliding door leading out to a deck space. So you see that it's also quite spacious. It extends all the way to the other side. And you have access leading to your bedroom from here. You have enough space here for a table and a couple of chairs. So this is a great place to relax in the mornings and afternoons. And now let's head back in. So there's just some construction going on nearby, but that will all finish within the next few months. And here we have the fourth bedroom. Your fourth bedroom is also facing the front of the property. It has access to the balcony that we took a look at through this door. And you already have a choice here in terms of what light fixture you'd like to put. There's a provision already. And here you have your own bathroom as well. One of the nice touches about the bathrooms here is how elegantly lit they are. Let's now head on over to your 5th bedroom. In terms of dimensions, your 5th bedroom is almost identical to your 3rd bedroom downstairs on the 3rd level. So you once again have space here, even for a large bed. And you have a provision here for your television set and once again, custom cabinetry. And here you have your own bathroom. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message through Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at the centrally accessible brand new townhouse development for sale in Kapitolyo, Pasig City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.